Daijahao, everybody, welcome back. We have a fantastic video lined up for you today. We're back in my favorite place, Daan Park, for the annual Azalea Spring Festival. Unfortunately, the weather isn't cooperating. It's not quite spring-like yet, but without further ado, guys, let's get started. This is a regular hangout for me. I work out here 3 times a week, and they've been working and putting in all these azaleas for at least the last 30 days. It's incredible how many workers were involved. I'll tell you, this year's festival is a lot more ornate than the one I was to a few years ago. They seem to have a lot more of these cool displays within the flowers. Let's keep going. In case you're wondering, the Azalea Festival started on March 1st and it runs the entire month of March. It is no charge, free to anybody, and it's here 24 hours a day. You can come check it out anytime. Taipei in the spring, a city buzzing with the promise of warmer days, the scent of something sweet drifting through the air. If there's a time to believe in magic, it's now, when Daan Park transforms into an explosion of pinks, purples, and whites. This is the 2025 Taipei Azalea Festival, a brief and beautiful spectacle that reminds us that nature, like life, doesn't wait around for you to pay attention. Blink and it's gone. Hey guys, we found a little seat here right in the midst of all the flowers. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So if you are, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Taipei's official flower takes center stage in a festival that's part celebration, part sensory overload. A themed garden with rare hybrids, hands-on floral workshops, and a city bathed in pink. At night, soft lights transform the park into something surreal, romantic, fleeting, and unforgettable. Besides the Azalea Flower Festival, the park is well known for bird watching, and a lot of photographers come and shoot wildlife photography here as well. Let's keep going and checking out the rest of the flower show. All right, the displays are kind of spread out throughout one half of the park. Let's continue to the other section. By the way, guys, if you're like gazillionaires, you can pick up a condo overlooking the park. So here's the deal. You don't need to be a botanist, a photographer, or a hopeless romantic to appreciate this festival. Just be here. Let the colors pull you in, the air wrap around you, and let the moment remind you that beauty doesn't ask for permission. It just arrives, then fades. So don't miss it. All right, guys, I like the airplane display, so might as well wrap it up. This brings us to the end of the 2025 Spring Azalea Show here in Taipei. I hope you enjoy. Till next time, guys. 大家好，再见. See you all on the next video.